Oh, hey! I just returned from my holiday, and the first thing that I noticed in my mother's garden is that the three clematis that I planted last year are now in full bloom, and they are gorgeous. Let me show you. The first clematis that I want to show you is the Clematis the President that is on the left-hand side of the greenhouse. And look, even from afar, you can see these really bright purple blooms. I decided to transplant them from my balcony that I had in Münster, and I planted them in my mother's garden next to this wooden fence with the idea that the clematis will climb along this fence, and yeah, that I will have these beautiful purple blooms of the Clematis the President all over this fence. Just look how many blooms there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At least 9. And aren't these blooms striking? First of all, I mean, they are nearly as big as my hand. Look, this is my hand just for a size comparison. And I just love this purple. So it's like purple leaves throughout, but with slightly lighter lines in the center of each of the petals. Gorgeous. And so this clematis is hidden behind, not really hidden, but like it's tucked behind this rose that is gonna bloom later on. And I'm just so happy with the President. And if we swing over to the right, on the right of the greenhouse, you can already see the white blooms of the Clematis Guernsey Cream. Wonderful. I mean, I have to be honest, I'm usually not the biggest fan of white blooms, but yeah, I love the shape of the petals. And again, so big, a little bit smaller than the President, but super beautiful. So when they start to bloom, they have a slightly more green look to the blooms, so white greenish. But then once they're open fully, you just have these broad white petals. Super beautiful. And I especially like the contrast to the rusty metal over here. I think that looks really beautiful, and I think especially once the euonymus is gonna, that the shrub behind is gonna turn its like golden red color, it's gonna be such a beautiful combination, this white with the rusty color of the pole, but also of the euonymus shrub. It's gonna be great. The third and final clematis is climbing along yet another rusty metal pole, and unfortunately I don't know the name of this variety, but I already had it on my London balcony, then on my Münster balcony, and now it's in my mother's garden. And just in love with this clematis. So it has like a darker purple outer petal, but then the closer to the center, it first has like a blue shimmer, and then really beautiful pink veining. Yeah, and so far we have 3 blooms here. 1, 2, and 3. Yes, and I'm hoping that it will climb further up into the rose that is here on top. If anyone knows the name of this clematis variety, yeah, please let me know. That's it from me and my 3 clematis. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.